welcome to Work in Process, a monthly video series that shares the biggest updates from the process industry across Europe and the US. I'm your host, Yann van Heiningen, Senior Consultant here at Coalesce Management Consulting, a process industry consultant that provides engineering and project management services on process investment projects globally. Today, we will focus on the latest developments in the EV battery materials industry. Our first story is about ACC, who has recently announced a closure on the raising of 4.4 billion euros, together with its shareholders Stellantis, Mercedez-Benz and Saft. In addition to the gigafactory currently in operation in Billy-Berclau, France, the funding will be utilized to develop another 4 blocks of production at this very location. An additional production block will also be added to the facility in Douvrin, with 2 more production locations in Italy and a facility expansion in Germany as well. Yann Vincent, the CEO of ACC, stated, "With this world-class financial community supporting us, we see clear evidence of the confidence that is placed in this ACC project. Beyond this operation, we will determine our needs as and when we conclude additional contracts. We are resolutely looking to the future with a view of achieving our objective of growing our production capacities." For our second story, the Tata Group has selected Somerset in the southwest of England for its initial battery cell facility outside of India. Named the Gravity Smart Campus, this facility will be established near Bridgewater, as revealed by Agradas, which is Tata's battery division. The British government had previously disclosed in July of 2023 that Tata would be constructing a factory within the UK. This factory is set to boast an annual production capability of 40 gigawatt hours and is expected to generate approximately 4,000 local jobs. With an investment nearing 5 billion euros, production at this gigafactory is scheduled to commence in 2026. Although groundwork has already started, the current plans are to lay the first foundations in the spring of 2024. This significant investment promises to introduce advanced technology to Somerset and aid the UK in its swift movement towards electric vehicles. For our third story, LG Chem has entered into a significant supply agreement with General Motors to provide cathode materials, a deal valued at approximately $17.5 billion. This contract, set to span from 2026 to 2035, will see LG Chem delivering over 500 tons of cathode material to General Motors. This arrangement follows a broader agreement made in July of 2022, where the two companies committed to a long-term supply of cathode materials, with the current contract detailing a portion of the previously agreed upon volume. The commencement of deliveries in 2026 is timed to align with the start of operation at LG Chem's new cathode material manufacturing facility in Tennessee, USA. Initiated in December of 2023, this plant is being constructed with the capability to produce 60,000 tons annually. LG Chem anticipates that the NCMA cathode material produced at this Tennessee facility will primarily be used by Ultium Cells, which is a joint venture between LG Energy Solutions and General Motors. Nonetheless, given that this is a direct agreement with GM, the supplied materials might also find application across GM's electric vehicle initiatives. For our last story, Tesla is reportedly looking to bolster its battery manufacturing capabilities in Nevada, USA, by setting up a new plant equipped with machinery from CATL. As per a Bloomberg report, Tesla is anticipated to finance the equipment purchase and bear all of the relative expenses, while CATL will provide assistance during the setup phase. The plant's initial production capacity is expected to cap at about 10 gigawatt hours annually, with prospects for expansion contingent on the initial phase of success and establishment of a robust supply chain. The start of operations is targeted for 2025, but to this date, there has been no official statement from either Tesla or CATL regarding this project. These were the biggest updates from the process industry across Europe and the US. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, a comment, and a share. If you have an advanced engineering project coming up, CMC provides engineering, construction, and project management services to help you deliver your project ahead of schedule and under budget. For more information, visit www.expertisedeliver.com or reach out directly to me on LinkedIn. Thank you for watching. This was Yann van Heiningen, and this was Work in Process. See you next month.